Well, the man accused of killing a police officer will not go to trial for murder, at least not now.
But Raymond Perry will probably spend the rest of his life in prison anyway. He will eventually start serving a 97-year sentence for a string of armed robberies. And he talked about both cases with 10 on Your Side's Andy Fox in an exclusive jailhouse interview. Andy?
Yeah, Nicole, Raymond Perry may have won in court today. He may have won today, but the reality is this. He's 22 years old, facing 97 years in prison for unrelated robbery charges. He realizes if he doesn't win on appeal on those charges, he's got a life sentence anyway. When he walked into the courtroom, Raymond Perry knew 5 charges, including murder, would be set aside or nol prost.
It makes a difference that they're not going after the wrong man anymore, and now they can pursue the person that they need to get. They can pursue the case with due diligence.
5 hours later, in this exclusive jailhouse interview, Perry said he was at home sleeping when Victor Decker was gunned down.
You were at home with your mom?
Yes. Sleep on the couch.
So how did you get here?
It's the same way the other case took place. You had a bunch of jailhouse snitches.
Perry's mother, Maya, was in court, disappointed charges were not dropped and may be brought back.
I was under the impression, they told me the case was going to be dropped. The case is still not dropped if it's non-processed. That's the question I have for the justice system.
Perry understands the justice system. He's been in it most of his life. But he says he will fight the robbery and gun charges that will keep him put away the rest of his life.
I mean, I can't change the way the system works. All I do is follow the procedures. And right now, the procedure is I was wrongfully convicted, and I just got to go through the appeals process.
Perry does not have an attorney to do that. His chances for failure on appeal high.
I'm trying to be the best father I can be, the best son I can be, the best brother I can be, the best anything I can be. I'm just trying to succeed on every level.
But you can't be the best of any of those things stuck in a jail or a prison.
Right? And that's why right now I just got to wait my opportunity to do that.
Sadly, Victor Decker will never be the husband or father he could be either.
It was a very hard conversation, but Dawn and I have talked about this thoroughly, and she understands that the investigation is going to continue, and we are not going to stop until we're able to get justice for Victor Decker.
Victor Decker, you heard it from Colin Stolley. You heard it from Colin Stolley. Victor Decker, he will not rest until the killer of Victor Decker is held accountable for the terrible murder of the Norfolk police officer. In Virginia Beach, Andy Fox, 10 on Your Side.